correct at this point.
C1LO, locks, flight vents closed and auto. Verified. CPDC, retractor cue ball.
We have. The cue ball cover has been retracted. T-minus 4 minutes and 40 seconds and counting. Four minutes and 30 seconds and counting.
Saturn launch control, 3 minutes, 44 seconds and counting. Our countdown still going well, aiming toward our planned liftoff at 7 a.m. We're now a matter of about 20 seconds away from the automatic sequencer coming in. A matter of a minute or so ago, we retracted the cue ball cover, which protects the angle of attack meter atop the launch escape tower. Now 3 minutes, 25 seconds and counting. The terminal count sequencer is armed at the present time. The sequencer will come in at 3 minutes and 6 seconds, where the countdown will be completely automatic from that time down. 3 minutes, 10 seconds and counting. 3 minutes, 5 seconds and counting. We have firing command. The sequencer is in. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. Our countdown completely automatic from this time down. However, as reported earlier, the crew here will be monitoring a number of red line values to assure that we have satisfactory temperatures and pressures during these final moments of the count. Now, T-minus 2 minutes, 40 seconds and counting. The various propellant tanks within the Saturn V launch vehicle in all 3 stages are now being pressurized. They're primarily pressurized with helium to assure that we will get a good flow of both the liquid oxygen and the liquid hydrogen or the RP1 fuel, depending on the stage. T-minus 2 minutes, 20 seconds and counting. Our automatic status board here, driven by the computer, indicates all is still well with the countdown at this time. The pressurization sequence continuing, and we will stand by for further reports. Now coming up on 2 minutes. Mark, T-minus 2 minutes and counting. T-minus 2, we have confirmation that the second stage liquid oxygen tank now has been pressurized. 1 minute, 50 seconds and counting. All still going well at this time. Minute 35 seconds. Still all going well at this time. The pressurization continuing within the Saturn V launch vehicle. 1 minute 30 seconds and counting. All still going well at this time. Receiving some readouts on some of these red line values. All indications are that everything is still satisfactory. T-minus 1 minute 15 seconds and counting. Third stage propellants now have been pressurized. Launch control, T-minus 60 seconds and counting. First stage now pressurizing. We're coming up on the power transfer in a matter of seconds. This is when we switch to internal power aboard the vehicle. T-minus 50 seconds. We have the power transfer. The vehicle is internal. The complete vehicle is now pressurized. T-minus 40 seconds and counting. Our status board still indicates all is well. T-minus 35. T-minus 30 seconds and counting. Number 1 swing arm now being retracted from the Saturn V vehicle. 25 seconds and counting. T-minus 20, still counting at this time. T-minus 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. We have ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. We have commits. We have liftoff. Liftoff at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 5 seconds into the flight. We're looking good. We have cleared the tower. We have
understand tower clearance. Houston Center assumes control. Pitch and roll program started. Our vehicle going now to an azimuth heading of 72 degrees. All 5 F1 engines firing, looking good. Given a green light at this time from range safety. Roll program is completed now. Pitch profile still in progress. 40 seconds. Mark 45 seconds. Our vehicle well beyond the beach now. Our IP impact point moving out well over water as desired. Mark 56 seconds. Our cabin pressure is relieving, coming down now from a pad base 16 pounds per square inch. Looking good. Mark 1 minute, 10 seconds coming up on a period of maximum aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Still looking good. Mark 1 minute, 25 seconds. Pass through max Q. Still looking good. Now 10 nautical miles in altitude, heading out beyond the Earth's atmosphere. We're on our way. Mark 1 minute, 45 seconds, 14 nautical miles in altitude, 12 nautical miles downrange. Our velocity at this time, 4,600 feet per second and accelerating. Mark 2 minutes, Flight Director Cliff Charlesworth now polling members of his flight control team as to our status for staging, and we're standing by. Center engine has shut down. Our 4 outboard engines have shut down. Booster engineer reports ignition on our second stage. Our first stage will be falling away shortly now. It's day's work done. Again, the greatest weightlifting effort ever. Mark 2 minutes, 50 seconds, 40 nautical miles in altitude, 70 nautical miles downrange.